Hello, lovely viewers. It's your girl Christy, aka Nikki CH, and welcome to the Matter Gags. Today's episode is going to be so hilarious, so stay glued to your seat. Now, our cup has run over. Ghanaians in Ghana are ready to speak Dutch. Yes, you heard me right. If you really want to know and you're ready for me, link up. Today, Ghanaians are going to read this Dutch. Ik begrijp je niet. Ik begrijp je niet. Gefeliciteerd. Gefeliciteerd.
Welcome to the Matter Gags. Please tell me your name.
I'm Nana Kojo.
Nana Kojo, do you have a nickname?
Popularly known as Nana Container.
Okay. Please read this Dutch dialect.
Look at it. Ik begrijp je niet.
Jesus! What did you say?
Ik begrijp je niet.
Continue. No problem.
Gaddafi.
Welcome to the Matter Gags.
Please tell me your name.
Philip Abeka.
Philip, do you have a nickname?
Yeah. Nana Sika.
Nana Sika, let's go.
12 seconds later.
Ik begrijp je niet.
Continue.
Gefeliciteerd.
Well done. Clap on for yourself.
Please tell us your name.
My name is Babang.
Babana, please, do you have a nickname?
Yes. Me and Nevi.
Mia Nevi, okay. Please read this Dutch dialect.
It's about to go down.
12 seconds later.
I have a little message for you all. Henceforth, we will be posting our street quiz on the Matter Gags. The link is in the description box. Please kindly follow and subscribe. Please put your bell on all options to not miss a video. And please, we are really sorry for this inconvenience. And please, thank you for your understanding. Bye.